Hey everybody, today I'm going to make a fresh fruit trifle, favorite take-along summer vacation dessert dish. So let's start out with 2 small packages of Jell-O pudding. I'm going to use French vanilla today because that's what I have. And then we're going to add 3 cups of milk. Approximately, it doesn't have to be exact. And 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream. And now I'm just going to take my mixer and mix this up. Alright, now that we're finished whipping, you should be kind of pretty set up here. But I'm going to go ahead and cover it with plastic wrap and pop it in the refrigerator while I peel and slice my fruit so it doesn't get warm. Alright, now I'm just going to peel and slice our fruit and get it ready. Alright, now I'm going to wash my hands. I'm going to grab the pudding and the Cool Whip, and we'll be ready for assembly. All right, ready for assembly, last step, and the most fun, I think. All right, so we're going to grab our trifle bowl and our angel food cake. I'm going to use half of it, so I'll just cut it in half here. And honestly, I'm just going to use my hands and break it up. Break it up into small pieces. They don't have to be the same size. If you don't want to use your hands, you can slice it, use scissors, whatever you like. Now, we're going to add about half of our pudding mixture. Just kind of smooth it out and take it all the way to the bowl. Now we're going to add whipped topping, whipped cream, same thing, just smooth it over the pudding mixture. Now we're going to add our strawberries. Now I'm going to add some blueberries, just because they're beautiful. And then some peaches, because they're so yummy. And now we're going to do another layer just like this, angel food cake. Pudding layer. Might have got a little heavy with some of my layers. And then just decorate the top with a few pieces of fruit, strawberries, blueberry, and peaches. Might sink a few peaches like this. All right, and now I'm just going to cover this with plastic wrap, pop it in the fridge for another several hours, and let it set up, and then we'll taste it. All right, Joel. I've let this sit up for about an hour. And we're going to taste test. It is very pretty. All right, try to get a little discreet corner over here. Love fresh fruit. Very good. This is awesome. Thank you everybody for liking and sharing my shareable videos, and we'll be back soon with some more videos.